Murray TV.
Chaddy Murray TV, and we say check him out for all of your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. Is it me?
And YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that YouTube, and such YouTube. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploding right now. You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm back again, people. I'm forward back with the next video, you know. Why the video I want to waste star, but we are going to watch it and then we are going to have a little discussion. Zin? So here goes. Oh, before I play the video, I must warn people. The video I kind of want to wait, you know. So if you have pitney around you, just cover them your eyeball. Is it? Kind of want to wait. You see me? So here goes. See it right now. Right there.
Now look here. Big dirty stinking pussy inspector police that kills no much time jail attack to the dog shit about them or something. Huh? Look how much time jail attack team about them something. Look at jail I live in there. Look at the lifestyle of jail I live in. Look at every night in a bumbo club BlackRIVER jailhouse. This something there. Shit. All night. I was dead. See that every night. You get up and move yourself, shit up the face. And I just people have to live with, correct? Correct. What up on the lifestyle? A lifestyle that? Damn that lifestyle. Food, a shit. The bed, a shit. Everything a shit. Everything a shit. See that? See that? Fucking in moment thing.
Jano Star, yo. Yo, I never know what to say. First, me have to say, yo, I pray, like, even though, I don't care where you do, people are going to jail and prison and them things still. But, yo, if I saw jail stay, I would want my closest enemy for go to jail. You see me? Jano Star, yo, what government that do? I don't even know if I say government, but definitely you have to say government because I want to remember how justice system work, you know. A person in jail is not necessarily say them do a crime, you know. And a person in jail not necessarily them guilty. A jail is like a holding area. You see me? A holding area because your case a try or whatever the case may be. Somebody can comment under the comment section where kinda know about legal way, and I don't really know about them things. But when me know off of my head, a jail like a holding area, like for the time being, and then them send you off go prison. You see me? When you're convicted, you go prison. So if I in there, so you're there and a jail at Channel Star. Yo, Jamaica in a bad state, you know. It's in a serious state, yo. I don't know how foreign jail go, cause me never go foreign jail yet. A matter of fact, me never go no jail. You see me? I don't want to see nobody go jail, yo. But yo, me have to warn the people them again, you know, people. You know, cool off of the crime, cool off of the violence, you see me? Cool off of the yo, me a bad man and you bust a shot in your face and then a man tell about your mother and you just go rise a machine and kill him. But now I say the man did right for tell about your mother. But make we turn down the crime thing a little bit now. Please. Yo, look how in the stay. Make this open up your eye. If you see how jail stay, you know. And know say we want to stay out of jail. We don't want to go in there. Yo, if I saw in there so stay, you know. Me could have last in there so for a minute, you know. Yo, Jano Star. Sorry people, cause me now watch a video now and me I think about it and my stomach start sick. Ja. Yo. Me just want the people them, yo. Want the little youths them, the kids them, the big man them where I give little pitney them gun. Yo, wanna just deceased, yo. Make we have a nice Jamaica. Make we have a welcoming Jamaica. Cause the previous video when me do a while ago, yo, right? The lady I say, yo, people no figure Jamaica and all these things. And you see me? Make we just have a nice Jamaica. Make people from foreign can forward and enjoy with self. Make Jamaicans themselves can enjoy them own a country. Can walk down the road without fear. You see me? Can do anything without fear. You see me? Yo. I hope that video reach somewhere still. I hope it reach the right eyes and reach the right pair of ears. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Remember to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. I'm out.